Let me ask you a question. Have you recently experienced a bad hailstorm or bad windstorm that has caused damage to your roof? Have you called roofing companies locally and they are buried and don't have time to come out and give you a free inspection or a free quote? If you have, you're not alone. Several of your neighbors have the same problem. But what if I told you there's one company that can help you out? We are Xpert Group Contracting Roofing Contractor. We have several locations in Missouri. We've been in business a long time. We are Google guaranteed. We pride ourselves on responding to every call, no matter how big or how small. You can count on us for all kinds of roof repairs, replacements, or even a new roof. You can count on us to help you with your insurance claims. You can count on us for your local roofer needs. You can also count on us not being one of those storm chasers. We are your local roofing contractor. You can give us a call and Jeff will set up a free inspection or estimate for your roof. Call now. You can count on us to keep you dry.